Last practice of the year on the hottest Labor Day of the year.
John decides to come out and ride.
I always pick the worst times to come out of retirement. Sometimes I'm just thinking, like, why don't you wait until the fall when it's cooled down, or wait until the spring when it's cooling?
It wasn't that bad in June and July. You didn't ride any of those months.
I didn't ride any. I think I remember riding some Campbell's Creek.
That doesn't count.
Why?
It's not motocross.
It's on a motocross bike. So it doesn't count? Not even a little bit?
No.
Not even a little bit?
For example, if you drive your truck into the river, you can't say you boated summer of 2018 because you didn't. You just drove your truck into the river.
Sure I can. Absolutely.
It's not valid.
I did go boating though, because I went on Sean's boat.
So you've went boating more in the summer of 2018 than you have riding. I can't have that on my recorder. I won't be able to monetize it.
Okay. What were you gonna listen to?
Carmen Chameleon by Culture Club. I think hit in 1983.
83, big year for you, bud?
Yeah. 3 years before conception.
Are you gonna ride today, or are you gonna mess around with your hair today, or
Your wrist.
My hair? Yeah, I got a lot of hair to mess around with.
The camera's pointed at Chris though.
Oh.
Oh.
I'm talking about your
Yeah,
wrist.
she's gonna ride. She's the only reason we're going.
Yeah,
I mean,
John.
I sort of wanted to ride too.
Oh, you did.
This will be the first time he wanted to ride all summer.
This literally will be the first time he's ridden at any sanctioned motocross track, summer of 2018. Only 2 weeks of summer left.
All they want to do is talk bad about a guy who's really passionate about the sport.
The sport of hot dog eating.
What does PM stand for?
Doesn't. Hottest ride of the year to date. But it's 93 degrees, real feel about 99, and we're warming our bikes up back here just in case, just to make sure the motors are warm enough, nothing seizes up, nothing freezes in the coolant lines. Pretty dusty. We got in 2 sessions. Loaded up. My fender's falling off. There's Kelsey, she faked a wreck. Tucker rode 1 practice. How'd you feel today?
First practice, 2 laps in, felt like garbage.
Look like garbage, you still do.
Second practice, took off like a bat out of hell, stayed on your ass for about
You stayed on my ass.
1 lap. And then I passed a bunch of people, put people over the berm, made motherfuckers hate their existence on the track today.
Did you fake wreck any?
I didn't fake wreck, but I helped somebody take their helmet off that claims that they had an injury.
Really?
Yes. It could have been her. I don't know.
Stop.
Yeah, it's just practice, John.
Stop videoing me. Can we get a stop videoing me, please?
Stop videoing me.
Thank you.